Guys, nakakita ako ng isang angel coming from Russia. What Bluetooth headset do you use, ma'am?
AirPods.
Do you like this one? I give it to you.
No, it's okay.
For free.
Really?
Bola lang yan.
Oh guys, ibigay ko kay mama yan.
Really?
Just say that thank you to Lenovo L6. Just say that, ma'am.
Lenovo XX. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Yo, what's up guys? MJ Jet 23 Vlog. Bali ngayon guys, nakakita ako ng isang angel coming from Russia. What is your name, ma'am?
Hello. Victoria.
Ma'am Victoria. Where are you in Russia? Moscow, ma'am. Moscow. Ma'am Victoria, right, ma'am?
Yes.
How about your age, ma'am? Can we tell?
22.
22. He look like 20, no, guys, no? What do you say, ma'am? Can you make a shout out to my channel, ma'am? Just like shout out MJ Jet 23 Vlog, just like that, ma'am. Oh, guys,
How are you doing this?
ma'am.
Okay. Peace out, one.
That's it.
All, yes.
Peace all. That's it. Okay, shout out to Ma'am Victoria and then peace all, no, Ma'am Victoria, no? Okay.
Peace out, everyone.
Nga pinopromote ko guys, ano nga pala sa mga gusto ng ng Lenovo Bluetooth headset. Ayan guys, ano yan? L6 guys. Bali ngayon guys, dahil nga nakasama natin si Ma'am Victoria, tapos mahilig siya sa Bluetooth headset. What Bluetooth headset do you use, ma'am?
AirPods.
iPod?
Yes.
Do you like this one? I give it to you.
No, it's okay.
For free.
Really?
Bola lang yan.
Oh guys, ibigay ko kay mama yan.
Really?
Just say that thank you to Lenovo L6. Just say that, ma'am.
Lenovo XX.
Okay, just thank you for Lenovo Bluetooth headset.
Thank you for Lenovo Bluetooth blah blah blah.
Bluetooth headset.
Yeah, Lenovo XX.
Bluetooth headset.
Yes.
Yan.
But it's for iPhone also.
Yeah. You can use for iPhone also, ma'am.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Kanina guys, nung nakita ko siya, I just shock no? Na parang nakita ko ng parang anghel, napakaganda. She is so beautiful naman, Ma'am Victoria, no? O bali guys, alam niyo na.
Yeah, thank you.
Wala na, out na kami. Just punch the screen, ma'am. Punch the screen. Punch. No.
Punch?
Yeah, punch. Just like that, mama. Yeah.